Hi, planning for the CMA US course and getting concerned about the job roles and opportunities you will get after being a CMA US. This is Shripta from Uplift Pro Academy, and today let's take a look at some of the popular job roles after you pass your US CMA.
First up, we have a role of a financial analyst. As a US CMA, you possess a strong financial analysis skill which makes you an ideal candidate for this position. You will be responsible for analyzing financial data, preparing reports, and providing insights to help organizations in making business decisions. Next, we have a role of a management accountant. With your CMA US qualification, you will have the expertise to handle financial planning, budgeting, and cost management for businesses. Your insights will help organizations to optimize their operations, improving profitability, and drive growth. Another exciting job profile is a financial controller. As a US CMA, you will have the knowledge and skill to oversee the financial operations, monitor budgeting, and ensure compliance with regulations. You will play a crucial role in managing financial risks and providing strategic guidance to the organizations. Additionally, you can pursue your career as a corporate treasurer. In this role, you will be responsible for the cash flow, investment, and financial risk of an organization. Your CMA US certification will give you the expertise and credibility to handle the complex financial matters and contribute to the financial stability of company. And finally, the pinnacle of success in financial field is the role of a chief financial officer. As a US CMA, you will be well equipped to take on these leadership positions. You will oversee the financial strategies, manage the financial risks, and provide guidance on major business decisions. These are just a few exciting job profiles that awaits you for you pursuing your CMA US certification. This comprehensive course by Uplift Pro Academy will prepare you for all these job roles and help you to excel in your career. And you will be happy to know that CMA India and Uplift Pro keep getting requirements for US CMAs from the MNCs, Big Fours, and Fortune 500 companies at the different times of the year. Uplift Pro has a dedicated team which works throughout the year and coordinates closely with CMA India regarding jobs. Now, I believe that you will be more confident to join the League of CMA US professionals. You can find the website link in the description box to give it a start. Please like and share this video to keep in touch with us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.